Hello and welcome. My name is Stephen Greider, and I'm going to spend the next couple of hours telling you every last little bit of knowledge I have about MongoDB. Before we get started, there's two quick things I want to go over. First, how to get help, and then take a quick look at our GitHub reference repo for the course. So first, how to get help. You can get help in this course either by reaching out to me directly on Udemy, so send me a direct private message, or you can post on the course's discussion page. In either case, I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Do note that one of the most important things for troubleshooting any issue you might have is your course's code or your project's code. If you can post your code up on GitHub ahead of time, or just include the relevant snippet in the message that you post to the forums or the message you sent to me, it's always a huge help. Now the GitHub reference repo, let's check this out. I've got a link right here. There's no need to type it in manually to your browser. The next lecture will have a direct link to it that you can click on in just a second. I'm going to pull the link up inside my browser, and let's just take a look at the code really quickly. So once I get to this GitHub page, you'll see a couple of different folders inside of here. Each folder represents a different project that we'll be working on. So if I click on this users directory, you'll find a bunch of code inside of here already all put together. All of the course's code is organized by branch. So you can see if I click on the branch manager on the top left-hand side here, you'll see a bunch of different branch names, all with a different number and description next to it. Each number represents a lecture number, and the text next to it represents the title of a lecture. So if you ever want to look up the project's code, at a very specific point in time, like for a very specific lecture, you can come into this user interface right here, find a very particular branch, click on it, and this will be all the code that corresponds to that very particular video. And so with this, you can always make sure you don't fall behind. If you ever watch a lecture and feel like, what exactly changed here? You can always come to GitHub and check out exactly what happened. Okay. Let's continue in the next section and get started on working on some real code.